Mr. Shubhranshu Singh, he's the CMO Tata Motors. So thank you so much for taking the time out. First of all, it's freezing. Are you okay?
Thank you, Meha. First of all, let me congratulate Network 9 for this wonderful organization of bringing so many people from Germany and India together. Yes, it is cold, but may I say all the warmth from the Network 9 family as well as from all the volunteers who are here has made it really worth the while.
Thank you so much for that, sir. I've got to ask you, what are you looking forward to in the summit? And we've got variety of topics from politics, to diplomacy. There's also a topic that I'm particularly looking forward to. How can we use sports as a soft power? But there are lots of things that we're going to be talking about. What's the one thing that you're looking forward to, sir?
Well, you're absolutely right. It's a very engaging agenda. I am privileged to be on two panels. One where we are talking about the consumer journey west to east, and it's been beautifully termed Srinagar to Stuttgart. And the other one on how the automobile industry is at an inflection point and taking off. I think what's welcome about the agenda and the way it's been set is it's not taking a Western view into India or an Indian view of what the world is all about. It's truly about a confluence. And the fact that an Indian television network is doing it in Germany, bringing so many of the German industry leaders and government representatives here and making them meet likewise folks from India is, I think, a very heartening development.
Mr. Singh, thank you so much for taking the time out. Thank you for coming here, contributing to this conclave in a way, and we're looking forward to the sessions that you're going to be on. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Meha.
All right, there you have it, Mr. Singh from Tata Motors. I can tell you one thing, Kabir and Shweta, it is freezing here, but we, like Mr. Singh was saying, the warmth here of the people that we've been meeting, the conversations that we've been having with everybody, it's quite something. And like Mr. Singh said, there's a lot to look forward to. There are two topics that I am particularly excited about. One is, of course, the panel that we have today, which is harnessing soft power, sports and entertainment, or sportstainment we're calling it. And that's a topic that's close to my heart. And the other one, of course, is India as a footballing nation, the German template. What better way than to engage our Indian audiences and Indian football enthusiasts with people in Germany, with Germany being a footballing powerhouse. I think that's another session that I'm looking forward to, yes.